So this is for the first prize, Marlon Xplore II sled deck, right?
Yeah. Yes.
He probably thinks I'm spam.
Well, or he's a guide, and they could be out on the snow.
This is Jake with Beartooth Rising Guides. Sorry I missed your call.
Leave my voicemail.
Please leave your name and phone number and a message, or you can text me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks. Bye.
Hey, Jake, this is Ryan Harris with Snow West Magazine. We're live on the Snow West Show podcast right now. We wanted to get you on the show and let you chat for a minute about Avalanche Alliance. You won a prize, so yeah, I'm not trying to call and sell you car insurance or get you to pay student loans or anything. Just I actually got some stuff to give you, so give us a call back. All right, take care, buddy. All right,
awesome.
so can you
imagine getting that voicemail?
It's going to be good.
You're like, you wouldn't be able to dial fast enough.
Yeah, he doesn't know. He doesn't know anything just yet. That's good.
Well, so we're probably not going to get him back on while we have the show. So you want to announce his name, talk about the prize?
Yeah. So Jake Skeen, Cody, Wyoming. So Jake is actually an area instructor, and he is one of the benefactors of one of the scholarships from the Avalanche Alliance.
Oh, cool.
Very cool.
So pretty fitting. He's invested the last 34 years into advancing his Avalanche education and becoming a pro level instructor. He operates Beartooth guides up there out of that Beartooth range. Great country. In fact, him and I have been trying to put a trip together because I'd love to do some riding up there. We ride up there in the summer on the road bikes, and it's gorgeous country. So he's a stud. Known him for a couple of years. Very active in the industry, obviously, and giving back as well. He just completed his guide course with Brett Rasmussen last week. He was here. So, yeah, awesome that it's Jake that's winning that. Congrats to him. I can't wait to hear what he says.